everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good and enjoying the Christmas vacation. Today is the Christmas Eve, right? So you all must be enjoying. So I am back again with another pick a card reading. So welcome to Synchronicity Tarot, and today's topic of the reading is you versus them. So we will see what are the messages I can get from the spirits and angels regarding what you feel and what about your person, what they feel about you and this connection. So let us see the detailed reading today. Okay, so we have three piles here as usual. So pile number one, this green aventurine. Pile 2, white quartz. Pile 3, golden quartz. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile, and if you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Okay, so we will ask spirits and angels what you feel about the connection and also what your person wants to happen between you and this connection. We will know. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. If you like to have different kind of readings, please comment so that I can take the topics and do the readings. Okay, then if you like my readings and if you like the content of my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Then you can get the updates up to date if you press the bell symbol. Okay, then that's all. So without wasting much time, let us start the reading. So let us start with pile number one. Whoever chose this green aventurine, this reading is for you. Let us see you versus them. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. The lovers, since it is already open, so I will take this card. Lovers. Okay, what you feel about this person is lovers. So what you feel about this connection. Okay, this card is for what you feel about the person. Then this card is for what you feel about this connection. Then what are your intentions towards this connection? What are the blockages in this connection? Then overall energies, or what you want to happen in this connection. Okay, now let us pull their messages. Okay, so now let us see what are their thoughts about you, what they think about you. Let us see. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I don't want to open it now. So this card is their thoughts about you, and this card is how they feel about you and this connection, their intentions towards this connection, what is blocking them to come towards you, and overall energies or what they want to happen between you. Okay, so this is the bottom of the deck. Okay, so bottom of the deck says that your connection is like it is wounded warriors. That means you and your person both are very much hurt in this connection. So whatever happened between you, you both are really hurt in this connection, and but still you are not taking it as a defeat, and you are trying to dragging on in this connection. So that means you are not losing hopes. And also I can see there are a lot of secrets in this connection. There are a lot of misunderstandings in this connection. So that is the reason this connection is not moving forward or progressing forward the way you wanted, the way they wanted. Okay, so now let us see your thoughts about the other person. What do you feel about the other person? Okay, so we already know. So it is Lovers card. So you feel that this person is divinely guided person, and they came to you like a God sent person, or this person is destined to come towards you, or You both have to be together. This is divinely guided connection. That is what you feel about this person, or you feel that this person is your twin flame or a soulmate. So you have a very deep feelings towards this person. You love this person a lot, and also you feel that this person is very lovable. Okay, maybe you are feeling that this person is very romantic, very loving, caring, nurturing. So that kind of a vibes. And Adam and Eve, this lovers card always says, speaks about Adam and Eve. That means God created creatures on the earth, right? So you feel about the person like that. You are feeling that this person is a perfect match for me, or the other half of my life. Okay, so divine masculine, you are thinking if that person is a male, divine masculine or feminine. Okay, so you are thinking about the other person like that. Now let us see, what do you feel about them? So this card represented how do you feel about them, but now this card is how are they. This first card represents how are they in your point of view. Okay, now the second card is how you are feeling about them. Okay, so you are feeling that this person is your wish fulfillment. So you are asking God or universe for a life partner, or for a companion, or a wife or a husband. So this person is exact match for that, and this person is definitely your wish fulfillment. That is what you feel about this person. And also you feel that this person is very attractive, very loving, emotional. Their cups are already full, so they want to give you so much love. They can give you so much love. So that is the reason you are feeling that this person is your wish fulfillment. And also you want to involve with this person into a committed relationship, because all the cups are full. This next step is 10 of cups. So that means what is that? Completion. So you want to go to the next level in this connection. Okay, so now let us see, what are your intentions towards this connection? What are your intentions towards this connection? So you are feeling that this connection is not stable, or you are confused between so many people, or they are confused between so many people or things. So this connection is not stable. So your intentions are, yourself are not sure that how to proceed in this connection. You are confused, I can say. So you don't know what will happen. You are into a dilemma. You don't know exactly how to proceed, how to make it work out. So how to approach the other person, or how to convince your parents. So you have lot of doubts, a lot of questions in your mind. So these are the intentions towards the connection. You will be you want everything to happen. Okay, you want the love in this connection, you want to have the abundance, you want to have children, you want to have like uh, everything you want to have, and you don't know how to proceed ahead. Okay, that is what your intentions towards this connection. Now let us see, what is blocking you. What is blocking you in this connection? Okay, so 10 of swords. So that means this connection is already ended for some of you. Maybe you broke up with this person, or already divorce happened. 10 of swords means it is a very very painful energy. So it is a very like you had a long term relationship with this person, but somehow things didn't go well. Okay, so everything collapsed and ended, and lot of pain. Even the bottom of the deck, 5 of pentacles also, it is kind of a bankruptcy card, I can say. So you went into all losses, like a physical loss, emotional loss, financial loss. So everything is collapsed. So lot of pain and sadness and grief, guilt. Okay, so the 10 of swords always represents it is the ending of the connection. It is done, it is dead. So that is the blockage of this connection. So now you are thinking that this connection is ended already, nothing can be done. So that is the blockage that is stopping you. So you are already thinking in a negative way, and you are affirming that this is ended, nothing can be done. You are into a sad mood, or a depressive mood. Okay, so that is what is the blockage in this connection from your side. So now let us see overall energies, or um, what you want to happen. So page of wands, that means you want to happen something very dramatically. So page of wands means it is a immature energy, it is not completely mm, matured, I can say. So it is kind of you are feeling like a small child. Children, what they will do, they don't know the possibilities. They simply, they will say that okay, this should happen, miracle should happen, something should happen, so the Spider-Man should come, that alien should come, okay, like that. So you are kind of a small child and you are expecting that somehow this connection should work, somehow this you are in the like immature energy or a childish way. So you are thinking in a childish way, okay. So you are not completely matured enough for this connection to work out. So you are simply dreaming, and you are very much attracted towards this the other person. So you want the connection should work in a passionate way. So that is what you are determined actually. Now Page of Wands also says that you are determined to get this connection into life. Okay, if it is ended also, you are determined to get this connection into life, but you don't know how to do it because you don't have the those kind of resources or that ideas how to make it work out. So you are waiting patiently. Okay, so now let us ask spirits and angels, what are your person's feelings towards you. Okay, the first card is, what are their thoughts about you, what are they thinking about you. So they are feeling that you are kind of a flirt. They are thinking that you are not like trustworthy person. You are kind of a flirt, or you are not sure about this connection. So they are feeling that you don't have any stable thoughts or intentions towards them. So as a person, you are kind of not trustworthy. You are kind of a flirt or a cheater, or you are not telling truth to them. So that is what their feelings, even though you are very much attractive, very much mm, like young energy, but still they feel that you are not trustworthy person, or you are just playing with them. So they don't have any sort of, they are not taking you seriously. That's what I can see. They are feeling that okay, this person is there just like a player kind of a vibe. So they are feeling like that towards you. Okay, and also there are a lot of communication between you earlier. There was a lot of communication between you earlier, like swords means it is communication. So they are thinking that even though there was a lot of communication, you never told them the truth. Maybe you are putting a mask, so you are not telling the true feelings, or what is happening in your life, so you didn't tell the truth. That is what they are feeling. So now let us see, how do they feel about this connection involving you. Okay, what about what they feel about you. Okay, now this is like thoughts about you, how they are thinking about you, like as a person. Now how they are feeling towards you at this connection. So they are feeling that this is four of swords. Okay, four of swords means it is a like praying god, or asking for the what I can say is, they are asking God to win you back. Okay, even though there are a lot of obstacles, there are a lot of problems in this connection, even though they are not able to trust you, but still they want you back into their life. For that, they are trying to manifest you back, and they are praying God, or praying universe that you should come back to them, but they are not able to move because there are a lot of problems in this connection. You can see three swords are pointing towards you. If the person is can you see, this person is not able to move because of the three swords are there pointing towards them. So that is the condition. Even though they want you back, they want this connection to work, but they are not able to move in this connection. They are helpless actually. They are praying God that some miracle should happen, and you both should be together. Okay, so now let us see, what are their intentions towards this connection, what they want to happen in this connection. Queen of Wands. Okay, so definitely this person want to have a passionate relationship with you, and they want to be together with you, and they are highly attracted towards you because Queen of Wands is abundant, and then beautiful, very much attractive. They have everything. You have everything in your life. So they want to have in this connection like that. They want to have the power in this connection. Now they are feeling helpless, powerless. So, but their intentions towards this connection are very powerful because they are very passionate towards you. I can see a lot of passion in this connection, and in this pile. Okay, pile number one. So they want this to happen. They want physical intimacy. They are highly attracted towards you. They want to come towards you. They want to have the situations like earlier they you both had together. So they want it back again. Okay. So now let us see what is the blockage. Why they are not coming towards you, or why what is blocking them. Okay, so this is eight of moons. Okay, eight of cups. So definitely this person walked away from this connection. Even you are also feeling the blockage is the same for both of you. Okay, so you are feeling that connection is ended, and this person already they walked away. Okay, so they moved away from this connection. I don't know the reason why they have done this, but for any which way they have moved away from this connection, and they don't know how to come back in this connection. Okay, so that is the blockage. They are in a very sad situation, and they are not turning back and looking at this connection. They walked away already. So after all these things, they don't know how to come back to you. So that is the blockage in this connection. So now let us see overall energies, what they want to happen. Okay, sorry friends. So overall energy, what they want to happen in this connection is strength. Okay, so they want to keep up the strength in this connection, because they are feeling that this is you both are soulmates, and also they also need some time to think what to do and how to proceed ahead. Both of you actually you are stuck. So you are feeling this connection is ended, and this person is feeling that they walked away from this connection, or you walked away from this connection. Please take it however it resonates with you. Either you walked away or they walked away. So they are feeling that it is already done. So what they want to happen is they want to keep up the strength for some time at least. And it is kind of like even though you both want to be together, it is not happening. So you have to be strong. You both have to be strong and live your life um, like this. Okay, so they are keeping up all the strength in their life, and they are trying to be very strong in this connection, even though after all so many things happened. But they want to keep up their strength, and they are wanting you also to keep up the strength. So now let us see, let us pull some guidance card for this connection. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card for this connection. Please give us some guidance card for this connection. Okay, death. So universe is also saying that it is death and rebirth. So whatever happened is happened. Now again you can start a new life. Okay, maybe with this person or without this person. Your God and universe, they are saying the same thing. So it is already dead, and so you have to forget about the past and you have to move on, or you have to start a new beginning. Okay, new relationship, rebirth. So relive, um, restart your life with this person or without this person. So universe is saying forget about the past and you have to move on. So let us see what are their messages for you, pile number one. What are your person's messages for you, pile number one? What are their messages? Let us pull some more cards. Okay, the first card is we are not done, and there is unfinished business between us. Okay, even they feel the same thing. Even though you are feeling that it is done with the Ten of Swords card, they are saying that we are not done, there is unfinished business between us. Give me second chance please, I beg you. Okay, so they are asking you to give them a second chance. Choose me, not the other person. I will never be happy if I can't be with you. Okay, they're asking you a second chance. I am confused about this situation. I need more time. Okay, so they need more time. Seeing you happy all that I want. I love you. Very nice. So they love you. They want to see you happy. Drama is over. Balance is restored in our connection. So they are feeling that now the balance will come in this connection. I want to start something real with you. I am ready. Okay, as a death and rebirth card is there, so they want to start something real with you. Okay, we will succeed. There will be a union of our hearts and body. Okay, definitely the rebirth is happening in this connection, and your person is also very much determined in this connection, and they want to come back and they want to start something new. They want to forget the past and they want to start something new in this connection. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. So let us see what you feel about this person and what they feel about this connection. So let us see. Ask spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What my viewer want to happen in this connection? How they feel about their person? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. The first card will be your thoughts about the person. Your person. Okay. So next will be, how are you feeling about this person? Okay, first card is your thoughts about the person, how the person is in general, how they are in your opinion is the first card. Second one is, how are you feeling about the person? So next one, intentions towards the this connection, your intentions towards this connection. Then what is blocking you to from proceeding in this connection? Then overall energies or what you want to happen in this connection. Okay, so now let us pull some cards for your person. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So their thoughts about you, how they feel about you, intentions towards this connection, what is blocking them coming towards you, overall energies or what they want to happen in this connection. Bottom of the deck we have the Page of Wands. Okay, so that means this is a very passionate connection, and maybe some of you are very young in this connection when you entered. Okay, so you both are very attracted towards each other, very beautiful. You both are young and you both are determined to get success in this connection. So but you are not matured, you are in a starting stage. It is this connection is not developed completely. Okay, so you both are in a dream world, dreamland, you are dreaming, but this connection is not yet completely matured, I can say. Okay, this connection is always like in a starting stage, or still you both didn't express your feelings towards each other. That's what I feel, because page means it is a not a matured energy. Okay, so you both have not expressed your feelings towards each other. This is just a starting stage, like attraction, crush, I can say. Okay, so now how you will feel about this person, let us see. Your thoughts about the other person. Okay, you feel that this person is very attractive. They want they have everything in their life. They are abundant, they are very rich, they are very powerful, they have everything in their life. Some people they might have the pet also, like a cat I can see here. Either you are having cat, you are the feminine energy, and or the other person you are asking about, the person is also might have some pet at home. Okay, so you feel that this person is very capable of doing anything for you. They are very attractive, very handsome or beautiful, or they are very abundant. Okay, that is what you feel about this person. So now let us see, what do you feel about this person in this connection. Okay, so you feel that this person is your soulmate and you have to keep up a lot of strength to get this person. So the getting this person is not so easy. So you are feeling that this person is very strong minded person, and they are like they can do anything in their life if they want. Okay, in this connection also, if they want to do, they can do anything. They can tame the lion, that much capable that the other person is. They are very strong. Okay, in this connection also you are feeling that they have strong feelings towards you, but they are not expressing. They are soulmate, but they are not expressing. They are not accepting that you both are soulmates. They're very strong willed or strong minded person. That is what you feel about this person. So now let us see, what are your intentions towards this connection. So your intentions is already, you are either you walked away from this connection or they walked away from this connection. Now there is no communication, no contact. You both got separated. So you are already feeling that this connection is almost done. Okay, so this I cannot say it is a complete connection. As I said, it is in a starting stage, maybe the crush or attraction, as I said. So you both suddenly realized something, then you both fought for something, then there was some misunderstanding in this connection, so you or the other person walked away from this connection. So that is what you are feeling in this connection. The intentions towards you are like you want to walk away from this connection, or already you walked away from this connection. Okay, that is what the intention of you in this connection. Now let us see what is the blockage. Okay, so blockage might be the third party. There is another person I can see. Maybe you are feeling that your person have some other wish fulfillment, somebody else, or you have somebody else in your life. Okay, that is what is the blockage in this connection. Already there is a person in your life or their life. So these cups are full already. So they cannot give you more than that. So I can see some third party also. Maybe that is the reason you walked away from this connection. So that is the blockage, that you are not able to go towards them or proceed in this connection. Okay, now let us see overall energies or what you want to have happen in this connection. So what I can see, you are feeling that this is divinely guided connection, and you want love from this connection. Okay, so the lovers card is very positive card, the yes card. So you want to have everything, whatever you are wishing. You are feeling that this is a kind of a sun card also for me. So you are feeling that this person can give you a lot of happiness, and you want to get love from this person, and this is divinely guided. That is what you believe, or you are feeling that this is twin flame connection also. So that is what you want to happen in this connection. So the lovers card, it's a very positive card. So now let us see what are their intentions towards you. What are your person's feelings towards you. So how they feel about you is Three of Swords. They are feeling that either you are heartbroken or they are heartbroken. There is third party, as I told you already. So there is a third party, and they are feeling that you already had some painful past in your life. You are already heartbroken by someone else. Okay, so that is what they are, they can see. They feel that your heart is already broken by somebody else, and you are in a deep pain in your life right now. So that is what they feel about you as a person. How you are heartbroken person. That's what they feel. So now this, let us see how they feel about you. So it is death. That means they are feeling that it is already ended. This connection is already ended, and you have ended this connection. The death card means already you are done with the past. Okay, or the past is dead, and you are slowly taking a rebirth. Okay, regeneration is happening slowly. So you are already dead, and you are coming into back into life, like you are taking a new rebirth you are taking, because the past, your past is not that good. So the dark energies are leaving you, and you are taking a rebirth. You are passing away, like from the other connection, and you are entering into a new life. That is what they feel about you. So what are their intentions towards this connection? So definitely they have very nice intentions. A Knight of Cups. Okay, they want to come towards you, they want to take action in this connection. They want to offer the cup of love. See, you were having the intention to walk away, but this person want to come towards you. They want to take action, they want to give you a cup of love, but it is very slow process. Okay, cups means cups energy is not so very fast energy. So definitely they are, their intentions are very good. They have lot of deep emotions towards you. They have lot of love towards you, not attraction. This is not attraction. But still they didn't express, because Page of Wands is there at the bottom of the deck. That means this is unsaid, unheard connection. Like you didn't express your feelings, or they didn't express their feelings, but they have inside they have very deep feelings towards you, and this time they want to take action. They want to say whatever they want to say. They want to say to you. They want to comment, they want to say, but still they feel that there is someone in your life already. Third party situation they are feeling right now. So let us see what is the blockage. Okay, what is blocking them? Okay, what is blocking them is Four of Wands. That means either you are married or the other person is married. That is the reason they are not able to come into this connection. Because Four of Wands is a marriage card. Four of Wands is a marriage card. So either you are married or the other person is married. That is the blockage in this connection. Maybe they are into a relationship right now. They married somebody and they are not able to come out of the marriage. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you. This is the blockage in this connection. So now let us see what is the overall energy or what they want to happen in this connection. What they want to happen in this connection. Definitely they want equal give and take in this connection. They also feel that you both are soulmates, you are made for each other. They want to have some partnership with you, maybe in job, career or love. Somehow they want to keep you in their life. They have very lot of love and deep feelings towards you, and they want to take action also in this connection, but because of their marriage or the third party situation, that is the reason they are not able to take any action. But their intentions are very good for you. They are feeling that you both are soulmates, you are destined to be together. Even your feelings are the same. What you want to happen also is the same, and what they want to happen in this connection also same. But both of you are having the third party situation, then that is the reason you are not able to move. But definitely this is a very beautiful connection. I can see lot of love here, but you both are not expressing it in a right way. Okay, so now let us see, let us ask spirits and angels the guidance. What is the guidance or advice card for my 5-2 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the guidance? Okay, Wheel of Fortune. So universe and spirits are saying that give it a time. Now it is not in your hands. So whatever you want to happen, you have to give them the time, and it will happen in the divine timing, and the wheel is turning into your favor. So whatever blockages are there, slowly they are coming away, going away. Okay, so the obstacles are dismissing or vanishing from this connection. So wheel is turning into your favor. Everything will happen in divine timing, so just give it a time. Very nice reading. So let us pull some of your person's messages, what they want to tell you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they want to tell my pile number 2 people. What are they? What they want to say. What are their messages towards my pile 2 people? Already 2 cards flew away. Let us see. I lied to you and I don't deserve someone like you. Okay, maybe they said some lies, that is the reason you walked away from this connection. So they are saying that I don't deserve someone like you. I hide my feelings for you, but I secretly love you so much. Okay, they love you so much, that is the reason I said you both didn't express your feelings clearly. We are about to reunite. We are twin flames. Okay, even the lovers card also, it says your twin flames. So you both will be reuniting, reconciliation will happen. That's what they are saying. I am in no rush to get married. You make me feel safe. Okay, so they are not in a rush to get marry you. So you are feeling them safe. That means you will wait for them. That's what they feel. So you are the true love. Okay, you are the true love in my life. New beginning is coming ahead for us. Okay, definitely there is new beginning. That's what they believe. You are the energy that heals me. Okay, very nice. Let's start all over again. You are my biggest wish. You are my wish come true. Please accept me. Very nice. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this golden quartz, this reading is for you. Let us see what is happening in this connection, how you feel versus how they feel towards you and this connection. Let us see. Let us pull some cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. how my viewer feel versus their person feels. Okay, the first card is their thoughts about you. Sorry, your thoughts about your person. The second card, how do you feel about your person? What are your intentions towards this connection? What is blocking you in this connection? Overall energy or what you want to happen in this connection. So now let us pull cards for your person. What are their true feelings and intentions towards you and this connection? What are their true feelings and intentions towards you and this connection? Let us see. Their thoughts about you, their feelings towards you, their intentions towards this connection, what is blocking them in this connection, overall energy or what they want to happen in this connection, and bottom of the deck we have the Chariot. Okay, so what I can see is this connection went on very fast. Okay, the Chariot is fastest moving card or energy. Okay, in this connection you moved very fast, but after that I don't know what happened exactly, but you both are very fast moving and you both are very active in this connection, and you both are like two wheels of this life cart. Okay, so you both are very fast in this connection, and there is movement in this connection. There is no stagnation in this connection, there is movement. Okay, even if you both are not talking or no communication also, but there is some communication is happening, maybe telepathically or through third some other people, or maybe relatives or mutual friends. Somehow you both are in communication with each other for some of you. Okay, so if you are talking to each other, then you both are very fast in this connection. There is fast progress, fast growth in this connection. So now let us see what you feel. Okay, your thoughts about the person. Your thoughts about the person is, you feel that the other person is your wish fulfillment. They are very strong, and they are good looking, or they are very attractive. They are very much bachelor or spinster, so they are waiting for you. So they for the other person, you feel that the person is very capable person, very strong person, very eligible bachelor or spinster, and your wish fulfillment. That's what you see about them. Or I can also say that you feel that this person is into some other relationship. Okay, so you feel that this person is already into other relationship, but what you feel about them, what the feelings you have about them, you feel that you both are soulmates, and you both are partners. Maybe for some of you, you might be wife and husband also. So you feel that the other person is your better half or other part of your life. You both are partners in okay, financially or emotionally. Okay, so you feel that you both are soulmates, definitely. Okay, very beautiful feeling that you have towards the other person. So what are your intentions towards this connection? So your intentions towards this connection, either you walked away or the other person walked away, and you both are in a deep pain, especially you, because we are asking about your intentions, no? So your intentions about this connection is, you are very sad. I mean, you are regretting about the past, whatever happened between you, or whatever caused to break up, for the breakup in this connection. So that is the reason you are forcefully walked away from this connection, and you are feeling very sad, painful, regretted. Maybe some of you are in depression also. Okay, that is what is your intention towards this connection. So your intentions are like, there is nothing can be done. That is the reason you want to walk away from this connection. What is blocking you in this connection? What is blocking you? So the lovers, so maybe you are feeling that your love is one sided, or you both are in twin flame connection. So you feel that this connection is very complicated. That is what you feel. That is the reason there is a blockage. You are feeling that or you are feeling that there is somebody else in their life, other person's life. That is the reason you are not able to move in this connection. That is the blockage that we you feel. Okay, let us pull one clarifying card. I need a clarifier this for the this lovers card. Let us see. Let us pull one clarifier card. Let us pull one clarifier. Okay, the clarifier is two of swords. Okay, that means you are confused. Even the bottom of the deck also two of pentacles. So what is blocking you? Because maybe they blocked you emotionally, or they might have blocked you in social media or WhatsApp, or everywhere they blocked you, or you are confused between two things or two people, or you feel that the other person is having the somebody else in their life. That is the reason you are not able to move ahead, because that is the blockage in this connection. You are blindfolded, you don't know what is happening, you are confused, you have two double minded, you have one time you feel that okay, this person loves me, the other immediately next minute you will feel that no, this person has somebody else in their life, so he or she doesn't love me. So you are double minded. That is the reason. That is the blockage of this connection. So your mind itself is a blockage in this connection, because you are not sure whether the person loves you or not. So that is the reason you are not able to move. Now let us see overall energies, or what you want to happen in this connection. Overall energy, or what you want to happen in this connection. Three of Wands. Okay, this also we need a clarifier, because it is a waiting card actually. So what you want to happen is waiting, that's all. So that is the reason we need a clarifier. Overall energy is waiting. Okay, maybe this is a long distance relationship also. So let us pull one clarifier. Okay, Five of Wands and King of Swords. Okay, for some of you, this person you might be feeling overall energies. There are a lot of fights and conflicts, or there is a lot of competition in this connection. Maybe you are feeling that I cannot go towards this person, or this person might be a little bit stubborn, narcissistic, or highly powerful or influential person, or for some of you this person is already divorced. So you are feeling that there are a lot of suitors for this person, there are a lot of people are behind this person, and you feel that you should not enter in this. There are a lot of people involved in this connection. That is the reason you don't know how to proceed ahead. So what you want to happen is these conflicts should end. Okay, overall energy is this kind of conflicts, or some competition, some petty fights, misunderstandings. So many people are involved in this connection. Okay, so you want to subside all these fights, misunderstandings. So that is what is your intention. Okay, or overall energy for this connection. Now let us see what are their thoughts for about you, how they feel about you. Okay, they feel that you are a trustworthy person in society, you have lot of name, they feel that people respect you, you are a strong person, you are very spiritual, you are kind of a priest or a pope. Everybody comes to you for the advice, everybody feels safe around you. Even this person feel that you are a very stable person, stable in your life, very like a marriage kind of a card. Hierophant is a marriage card, so that they feel that you are a wife material or a husband material, and they can trust you. That's what they feel. They have very good thoughts about you. You are a trustworthy person, and you have stable feelings, and you are a stable person. That's what they feel. Okay, how they feel about you. The High Priestess, they are feeling that you are very strong personality and strong willed, and you want whatever you want to happen, that is the final. You won't give the other person a chance. You are a little bit stubborn, intellectual, intuitive. Sometimes they feel that you are kind of a opinionated person, or you influence the other person. Okay, or you are keeping the secrets of this person, from this person, and you are very happy in your own. Okay, so you don't need anybody. You are such a powerful person, and you don't need anybody in your life. That is what strong willed person, uh, and a very spiritual person also. You are completely complete package. That's what they feel. Okay, so now let us see what are their intentions towards this connection. So their intentions towards this connection is like Queen of Swords. That means they already have children with you, or they want to have children with you. Okay, because King of Swords and Queen of Swords are there together in the same spread. Okay, so maybe you both are already married, you have children also. That is the reason you are seeing this reading, how you versus them, how you are feeling and how they are feeling. So they are feeling that their intentions are very good only. They want to take care of, they see you as a very strong, powerful person who can take care of the children very well. Okay, so you don't need anybody, you don't need them to take care of the children. And you're very straightforward and very stubborn person, very powerful person. That is what they feel, and their intentions towards this person is they want to be in this power. Whatever power you have, they also want to have the same power. They want to be powerful in this connection. Maybe in this connection you are one sided, you are only very strong person, but they also want to have the power in this connection. Okay, that is what is their intention. What is blocking them for coming towards you? The Sun card. So this also I need a clarifier. What is blocking them? Okay, Sun, maybe children are affecting this connection. Okay, maybe because of the children they are not coming. Maybe they feel that it is not good for the children or a child. Okay, I am getting lot of different messages. Let us take a clarifier. The Hermit. Okay, bottom of the deck, same King of Swords. So what is blocking them is they don't know what to do. They are doing soul searching. They don't know what exactly they want in this connection. That is the reason they are taking retreat. They are meditating. They are in no communication situation. They are trying to know themselves, like what exactly they want. That is the reason they are not coming towards you. They feel that they are happy with you. They have a very happy feelings towards you, but at the same time they don't know what exactly they want. They are doing the soul searching. They are finding the information about you. They are asking everybody, like mutual friends. They are retreating, I said, right? They are not socializing in the society. They are not mingling with all the friends and all, but they have few friends, maybe two or three friends, mutual friends. So they are asking them and they are finding about you. They want to know what exactly you are and what they want from you. So they want to know the truth. That is the reason, that is the blockage in this connection. They are not able to move forward until they know what exactly they want. Okay, now let us see overall energy or what they want to happen in this connection. That is Queen of Wands. Okay, they want to have the powerful connection with you, and they are highly attracted towards you. They are feeling that you are very attractive, very passionate. They are very passionate towards you. They have lot of desires, or you or the other person might have a pet as a cat. Okay, so definitely what they want to happen is they want to have power in this connection, or this connection should be like earlier. Maybe earlier you both were together and you were like a power couple, because I can see in the whole spread, I can see kings and queens only, high priestess and hierophant, pope and priestess, high priest and high priestess, all the couples only I can see. Maybe whoever chose this pile, maybe you both are wife and husband. I can see children also here. So they want the power back. I mean, they want to have the connection like earlier how you were like a family living together maybe. So that is what they want to have the power back again. So now let us ask one guidance card from spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance card, one advice card or one guidance card, please. Okay, the Temperance. Okay, spirits and angels are saying that there should be some balance in this connection. So you both are like twin flames, or you are made for each other, or you are divine couple, divinely guided. So they are saying that you should have the balance in this connection. Maybe you have lot of masculine energy, or they have lot of feminine energy. Something yin and yang, it is not balanced in this connection. That is why maybe the female in this connection is more masculine, or male in this connection is more feminine. So both you have to balance the yin and yang energy in this connection. Otherwise this connection will not work out. Okay, So if you are masculine, definitely you attract the feminine, right? So you both are kind of, you have to balance your energies within yourself, then only this connection will work. Okay, so let us see what are the messages from your person. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the messages from their person? Okay, already one card flew away. So choose me, not the other person. I will never be happy if I can't be with you. Okay, they feel that somebody else is there in your life. They want you to choose them. This distance is killing me. So that means this can be physical distance or emotional distance. The distance is killing me. We are soulmates. Okay, definitely they feel that you both are soulmates. Yes, my love for you is real, never doubt it. Maybe you have the doubt that this person loves you or not. So they are saying that they love you and you have to trust them. We will have a beautiful, stable and balanced relationship one day. So they are waiting for the time to have the balanced relationship. You are my true love and a soulmate. Okay, then definitely they feel that you are soulmate. Twice it came the soulmate card. I am watching you on social media. I am looking at your pictures all day. Okay, definitely, if you are wife and husband, definitely you will have the pictures together, or you have the social media contact and all. So they are watching you, they are stalking you. I choose you and only you. Okay, so they are very loyal to you. So they choose you and only you. That's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.